Hi friends, it's Walid and welcome to Creative Skills. Today I am going to teach you guys about the smart object in Photoshop. Smart object helps us to work with the pixel-based images non-destructively without losing the quality of an image. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all new updates. Let's move to the Photoshop. I have already imported an image in Photoshop and right now the background layer is selected. Let me unlock the layer by clicking on the lock sign and resize the image by pressing the Alt plus Shift key. And then I'll go to the menu bar and click on the edit menu and then select the transform and click on the warp. And here there are some presets. I'll simply select an inflate preset or any of them which I want and press OK. You can see that warp is applied. Now I'll again go to the edit and select the transform and again click on the warp. And now I'll select any of the preset. Let me select inflate preset. Again you can see the inflate preset applied one more time and you can see the effect of inflate and then press OK. Now I want to modify these changes but I can't because the effect is applied on the layer and the pixels of the image are distracted. Therefore, I'll go to the history panel and click on the yellow card layer. Now I have undone all my changes. Now again I'll unlock the layer and for this time I'll go to the layer menu and click on the smart object and then select the convert to smart object. The image is now converted into smart objects. Now I'll resize the image by holding down the Alt and Shift key and resize my image and double click on the image. Now again I'll go to the edit and then select the transform and then again select the warp option. Now again I'll select any of the preset which I want. For example, I'll again select the inflate preset and apply it. The transfer preset is applied. Now I can still edit by going to the edit menu and select the transform and again select the warp. As you know that lastly I have applied the inflate preset and still the inflate preset is there and I can also adjust the values. For example, if I want to adjust the band value to 60, I can easily adjust the value to 100% or any of the value which I want. In this way, I can easily modify transform without distracting my image and then click OK. This is the power of smart object that the pixels of image will not distract. If I want to apply some more effects on the image, for example, I'll double click on the thumbnail. The image will open in new tab. You can see the tab layer 0.psb extension. Here I can easily apply more effects. For example, I have already opened the texture image. I'll copy the texture by going to the edit and select copy and paste it on the image. Again by going to the edit and select paste and resize the texture by holding down the Alt and Shift key. And change the blending mode to something like soft light and adjust the opacity to 60 to 65%. Now the texture applied on the image, I'll simply close the image and save all the changes to PSB extension file. You can see the effect is applied on the image so simple and easy without distracting my image. The drawback of the smart object is that I can't apply the brush tool or healing brush tool on the image. You can see the cursor, the Photoshop is saying you can't apply the brush on the image. Therefore, I'll again double click on the thumbnail and there I want to remove this car. I'll simply go to the Lasso tool and select the car. The car is selected, and now again I'll go to the spot healing brush, and right now on the spot healing brush and select the patch tool. The car is selected, and I'll select car layer, and I'll click on the car and drag it to the left and adjust the position and release my cursor. You can see the effect applied. Right now the result is rough. I have just applied for demonstrate purpose. I'll deselect the selection and close my layer and save all my changes. You can see all the effects applied on the smart objects. So simple and easy. And if you want to retain the images without applying the transform, we'll simply go to the layer and select the smart object and then select the option convert to layers. When you click on OK, that image will resize and convert it into layers, and the smart object will resize and transform is not applied. In this way we can easily apply different effects without losing the quality of an image. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial, and if you want to ask anything regarding this tutorial, then please leave a comment. We'll reply you as soon as possible, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.